It has been a gloomy day outside. Clouds covering the twin states of Mississippi and Alabama. Here in Starkville, however, it has been pretty cool. 43 degrees outside right now. Winds coming out of the northwest at around 13 miles per hour, so it is a little bit breezy out. However, those temperatures have dropped a lot in the last 24 hours. Across the northeast Mississippi, over 20-degree temperature change. Even some areas getting close to almost 30-degree temperature drops. Now, across the entire U.S., it is pretty cold. Look at all this blue out here, indicating those very cold temperatures out. 41 in Starkville, 53 as we get down to New Orleans, and Florida, even though it's February, still feels like summer down there in the 80s. Now, for us tonight, we are going to be cooling down to the 30s by 10 p.m. and by 7 a.m. on Wednesday, we're going to be cooling down to 33 degrees, so just above freezing. We will see some precipitation tonight in the form of a rain-snow mixture, but what will that look like? Well, around 6 p.m., that's when we will first start seeing that rain start to move in. And by heading in around till 9 p.m., so in the late evening hours is where we're going to see the most precipitation. Now, this blue right here, that is indicating our rain-snow mixture. Don't get excited though. What I think it is this going to be a little bit too warm for that snow to have any effect on us. So as soon as it gets low enough, it is going to melt into rain, or even if it makes it down to the surface, it's just going to disintegrate because the surface is going to be too warm. Now, as we head into the late hours around midnight tonight, most of that rain and precipitation will be out of our area, giving us a dry early morning hours for Friday, especially when you're waking up tomorrow. Now for us tomorrow, getting up to around 50 degrees, that early morning precipitation I was talking about, sun is actually going to come out. So a nice change from what we've seen the last few days with all those clouds. And for the next 7 days, it's going to be a very nice weekend, getting up to the 60s by Sunday. However, we do see that chance of rain coming back in for as early as Monday for next week. And on Tuesday and Wednesday, we see those possible thunderstorms. However, we will be getting up to the 70s by Wednesday.